Boom shakalaka, is Bitcoin about ready for a market correction and retest, or are things about to get freaky? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including are we due for a pretty significant market correction, or is the bull run about to get pretty freaky deaky? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like the video. It helps out so much. I've been waiting forever to say freaky deaky on this channel. Now today, fear and greed at 74, up from yesterday's 73, last week's 65. The overall market up just a touch today. Bitcoin at 42,895, Ethereum at 2212, BNB 256, XRP 61 cents, Solana $75, Cardano 59 cents, Avalanche $41, and Dogecoin 9 cents. Now, Bitcoin, after it broke through below this support a few days ago, right now that support looks like it might have turned resistance if we can't break through there right now around $43,000. Now, should that continue to remain resistance, well, the next level, aside from the big even of 40,000 to drop down to, would be this $39,000 level where the 50-day moving average and this long-term support band are sitting. And if you take a look at things, guys, percent of profitable days holding Bitcoin now at 93.8%. Pretty much if you had bought Bitcoin any time during this green, except for the very, very top and this red, you would be in profit. That's pretty darn cool. We're getting close. As Bitcoin approaches not only the $1 trillion market cap, which would come at a $51,000 Bitcoin, but also the market cap of silver, very, very close to that $51,000 level. And if we do in fact get there, look at that. Bitcoin did touch there twice during the last bull run. That could be some resistance, but should we break through there? Potentially, the market cap of gold with Bitcoin close to $1 million could be in, I don't know, on the level, maybe next time, who knows. But we are not yet at the bull market phase according to the Bitcoin market cycle model by plan B, where it turns red, full-on bull market. We are still in the blue pre-bull. You could call them the blue bulls or the blue pre-balls, whatever you want to call them. But we're not yet there. The Puell multiple today is suggesting that we have hit the mid-top levels. If you take a look at this 2.31 level on the Puell multiple, this is predicted mid-cycle top. So we do have evidence that we could be seeing a mid-cycle top if there is not enough momentum and breaking through there. And taking a look at previous cycles where we had trendline breakthroughs, Bitcoin price did in fact retest that level before taking off. We have broken through, but we have not yet retested. Could we come back to find some support? A lot of signals suggesting yes. If we take a look at here, some resistance probably coming back down, touching the price band right here before taking off once again. And same thing here. If we take a look, 78.6 fib has been resistance levels, also the 61.8 fib, the 78.6 and 61.8, both resistance levels coming back a little bit before a significant rally. Now, all those things are worth considering, but if we take a look at this chart right here, well, once Bitcoin breaks between this 61.8 and 78.6 fib, it really doesn't return back below there. And that would be suggesting we are in those levels right now between $37,000 and $47,000. So could it just be a long consolidation, wait a few months for ETF approval for the halving, and then reload and take off? That's another big possibility, because when we take a look at the circulating supply model, right now we are still in significant buy to hodl territory. Right now, buy territory, not even hodl territory yet, just significant buy territory for Bitcoin. Still quite the deal considering where prices could go. And if we take a look at volatility index cross, we could see this has led to massive rallies previously. So there could be some big things coming. As a matter of fact, maybe like 100x. This is the first time since 2016 that Bitcoin has broken above the Bollinger Bands on the monthly charts. And at that time, Bitcoin did 100x from that point. So could be possible once again, especially when you consider there is a lack of liquidity in Bitcoin. Nobody wants to sell at these moments. And based on this Bitcoin rhythm chart where we find support and resistance on these levels, the next territory could be headed towards in the hundreds of thousands and or millions of dollars for Bitcoin. So things are looking good. Maybe just hang in a little bit longer. But hey, not financial advice. You do you. So thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.